Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. I'm still waiting for the Stellar to re-enter a very big wedge on the weekly time frame. Today it has broken out another resistance, therefore I'm posting another video on Stellar to show you that breakout. And now after this breakout, there will be a very high possibility that the price line can re-enter in this wedge for a big move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this chart that I'm sharing almost in every video with you. And basically, I shared this chart on 11th of December when the price line completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move on the weekly time frame. And I told my members that from here we can expect a reversal move. By the way, the targets for this guardrail move are starting from approximately 32 cents and goes to 39.29 cents, 27 cents, approximately 40 cents, you can say. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is geared up. So far, it has moved up to 30.59 cents and now having some correction. Now, if we take a look at again on this weekly time frame, then we can see that during this drop, the price line tested this 100 weekly simple moving average. That is a really very good support. And the fact is that the price line is still moving below the support of this rising wedge pattern. And this is a bit critical because this support was not broken down since after December 2020. And after more than a year, this support is likely to be broken down. But we are still moving above this 100 simple moving average. And the good thing is the stochastic is oversold. And you can see that in the previous history of Stellar, whenever the stochastic enters the oversold zone, the price line moves sideways and starts the big rally we have seen here. And we can again witness this move here as well. But this is a very strong resistance because previously it was breaking as a strong support. Now this resistance, the support of the wedge can work as a strong resistance for the price line. Now let's move to the daily time frame. Here I was showing you that the price line tested the support of 25.5 cents. And this is a very strong support, and you can also call it as a key support because previously it has been working as a strong support and resistance. Therefore, this time it has again worked as a strong support, and the price line broke out this channel. And now, after this correction, it is likely to gear up from here. Now, if we switch on the more small time frame chart, like on the 4-hourly time frame, here we can observe that the price line formed another channel after this breakout. And this was the resistance, and here we have the support of this channel, and the price line has broken out this channel, and now it is moving up. Now our target for this small channel can be here, approximately at 30 cents again, and our target for this big channel can be here at approximately 44 cents. And we can also observe that we also have a bullish divergence on this daily time frame as the price line is forming lower high and the RSI has formed higher than previous high. And if the price line is going to move, for example, at least 30 cents, then it can make another attempt to break out this resistance that was previously working as a support of this wedge. And after re-entering in this wedge, our next target can be here. The next move can be expected here at the resistance of this wedge that will be approximately at 44 cents. That is also the target for the down channel on the daily time frame we were watching. And in case of breakout from this wedge on the weekly time frame, for example, if we are expecting a breakout from here, our next expected target will be approximately 63 to 64 cents. So the month of January can be good for Stellar because if we are having a bullish divergence on the daily time frame chart and breaking every channel one after another, for example, we have broken out and a down channel on the daily time frame. We have also broken out another down channel on the 4-hourly time frame. So there is a very high probability now that the price line can re-enter the wedge and it can start this big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.